Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to tell you a heartwarming story called The School Bus Journey. This story is perfect for English listening and speaking practice. It was a bright Monday morning in a small town. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and children were getting ready for school. Among them was a cheerful boy named Hamza. He quickly packed his school bag, wore his clean uniform, and kissed his mother goodbye. "Hurry up, Hamza," his mother smiled. "The school bus will arrive any minute." Hamza grabbed his lunchbox and ran to the bus stop near his house. Several children were already waiting there. They greeted each other with happy smiles. "Good morning," said Isa. "Good morning," Hamza replied. Soon, everyone heard the familiar sound of the yellow school bus. It slowly stopped beside the children. The friendly driver, Uncle Kareem, opened the door with a warm smile. "Good morning, children. Please get on carefully." The children entered, one by one, thanking the driver. Hamza found a seat beside his best friend, Bilal. As the bus began its journey, everyone looked out of the windows. They saw green trees, colorful flowers, small shops, people walking to work. Farmers were working in the fields, and birds flew across the blue sky. Bilal pointed outside. "Look, a beautiful rainbow." Everyone turned toward the window and admired the colorful rainbow stretching across the sky. "It's wonderful," Hamza said. The bus continued along the road. Suddenly, it began to rain gently. Tiny raindrops danced on the windows, making beautiful patterns. The children watched happily as the world outside looked fresh and clean. A little girl named Sarah looked worried. "I forgot my umbrella," she whispered. Hamza smiled kindly. "Don't worry. If it's still raining after school, we can share mine." Sarah thanked him with a grateful smile. After a few minutes, the rain stopped and the sunshine returned. A bright rainbow appeared again, making everyone clap with excitement. Soon, the bus reached another stop where an elder woman was waiting to cross the road. Uncle Kareem stopped the bus patiently, waited until she crossed safely. The children noticed his kindness. Bilal asked, "Why did we stop?" The driver replied, "Being patient and helping others is more important than being in a hurry." The children nodded. They learned an important lesson about kindness and road safety. As the journey continued, the children began playing a simple word game. "I'll start," said Isa. "Apple." Bilal smiled. "Elephant," Hamza continued. Tiger, Sarah laughed. Rabbit, the game helped everyone learn new English words while having fun. Soon, Hamza noticed a younger boy sitting alone. The little boy looked nervous because it was his first day at school. Hamza walked over and smiled. Hello. My name is Hamza. What's your name? I'm Zain, the boy answered quietly. Don't be afraid. You'll make many friends today. Zain smiled. He already felt much better as the bus moved closer to the school. The children saw their teachers standing near the entrance, welcoming every student. Before getting off, Uncle Karim reminded everyone, please check your seats. Make sure you don't leave your books or lunch boxes behind. Hamza looked carefully and found a water bottle under his seat. Whose bottle is this? He asked. It's mine. Sarah replied happily. Thank you for finding it. The children lined up politely and walked into the school. Together, their teacher welcomed them with a cheerful smile. Good morning, class. I hope everyone had a safe journey. Yes, ma'am, the children answered. Together, during the morning lesson, the teacher asked, what did you learn on your way to school today? Hamza raised his hand. I learned that small acts of kindness can make someone feel happy. Bilal added, learned that we should always be patient on the road. Sarah smiled. I learned that good friends always help each other. The teacher was proud of her students. Excellent. Learning doesn't happen only in the classroom. We learn valuable lessons wherever we go. The children smiled because they understood her words. At the end of the school day, everyone boarded the bus again. This time, Zain was no longer nervous. He sat beside Hamza and Bilal, laughing and talking happily. As the bus traveled home, the children sang cheerful songs together.